Welcome everyone to the first video in this AGI series where we're going to be breaking down what AGI is and how companies are working to make it happen. Let's dive in. Let's first define AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. Right now, most AI systems are designed to do one task and one task really well. For example, AI can recognize faces, recommend movies, or analyze data and provide insights. But these systems can only do the specific tasks that they were trained for. This type of AI is called narrow AI because it works only in one area. AGI is different. The idea behind AGI is to create an intelligence that can think and learn like a human. AGI wouldn't just do one thing. It could do many different things without needing to be retrained. For example, AGI could solve math problems, write a story, or learn a new language, all without needing special instructions each time. It would be able to switch between tasks and adapt quickly, just like we do. AGI would also be able to learn from its environment and make decisions. Imagine a robot with AGI. It could help you solve a problem at work, then switch to cooking a meal, and then learn how to fix a car, all by itself. It would not need new programming for each task. Researchers are still working on making AGI a reality. If we achieve it, AGI could help solve big problems like finding cures for diseases or fighting climate change. However, it also raises questions about how we will work with machines this powerful and make sure that they are used responsibly. Now, let's talk about some of the companies that are leading the way in developing AGI. Two of the biggest names in this space are OpenAI and DeepMind. These companies are working on building AI systems that have human-level intelligence. The goal is to create machines that can learn, adapt, and understand the world just like people do. Right now, the AI systems we have are very good at specific tasks. For example, some AI models can play games like chess or Go better than a human could. Others can translate languages or even help doctors make medical diagnoses. But these systems are still considered narrow AI because they can't jump from one task to another. They are trained for just one job. Companies like OpenAI and DeepMind want to change that. They are aiming to create AGI, which would be able to handle many different tasks and adapt to new challenges, just like a person could. These systems wouldn't need extra training every time they face a new problem. Instead, they could learn on their own and apply the knowledge across a wide range of areas. For example, OpenAI has already made impressive strides with models like GPT, which can generate human-like text on a variety of topics. DeepMind has created systems like AlphaGo, which can learn and master complex games. These are all important steps towards AGI. There's still a long way to go. We're not quite there yet. AGI is still an idea that researchers are working toward. However, progress is happening each and every year. AI systems are getting better at solving some more complex problems, and the gap between narrow AI and AGI is slowly shrinking. The work being done by these companies like OpenAI and DeepMind is helping to push the boundaries of what AI can do. While it may take years or even decades to fully achieve AGI, these companies are laying the groundwork. They're experimenting, testing, and learning more about how machines can think and reason, bringing us one step closer to the goal of AGI. So that's the basics of AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. It's an exciting field that could really change the way we live, the way we work, and even help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges. But there's still a long way to go, and we're only at the beginning of this journey. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into different aspects of AI, how it works, what challenges we're facing, and what the future might look like with AGI in our lives. There's so much more to explore, and I'm excited to be the one to share it with you. As always, keep thinking. If you're curious about this topic and you want to stay updated on our next videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep creating content, and it's a great way to make sure you don't miss out on anything. I'm excited to have you here, and I can't wait to continue exploring the world of AGI and many other things with you. Until next time, take care.